A very good morning, respected speaker, sir, honorable judges, and everyone present here. I am Ibalakyntiew Mary Lapang, representing from Ribhoy Synod College, and I'm going to speak for the motion on the topic, railway connectivity in Meghalaya is a bane or a boon. Respected speaker, sir, I strongly affirm that railway connectivity is not just essential for Shillong or Jowai, but it is a constitutional right and an economic necessity. I would like to prove my point based on the articles from the Indian Constitution. Speaker, sir, the first point is about the Article 19 1D of the Indian Constitution, which is the right to freedom of movement. We, the people of Meghalaya, we have the right, the citizens of India, we have the right to move freely across the state. Lada kani ka railway, kamdan ha kari Meghalaya jungi, kumno ngila ban interact with kiwi ki states. Compare kiwi ki modes of transportation, ka railway kalong cheaper banya ka, bani kiwi, example roadways lani airways. Kamtam ki baduk basuk, hakano ka rukam kila ban de kiwi ki jela, lada kimla ban afford. Ngimantay ladang ikwa ban kiwi jela ngi habde siya du siya Guwahati tanah kabenta ka railways. Te baling imkwa bakan dan ka state jungi. Baling ikwa sa ban syongkum kita kiriudum. Mentang ila im hane ka perthai ka ba ka ngibun ki modern technologies. Te kane ka railway li kadi ka way na kilat ka ba ngila ban develop ya ka state jungi. Second point, Speaker Sir, is about the Article 38, 39B and 46 of the Indian Constitution, that is economic growth and tribal welfare. Nadu mane kini ki opponents jonga. Speaker Sir, kini ki opponents nadu mane ki ong baka tourism nadu mane. Te kani ka tourism hatu ka wanra sa ikata ka jingsniu. Example pe ka Assam, hatu ka don kata ka tourist spot ka babiang. Meghalaya, we are known as the Scotland of the East. Te lada ki tourist kin wan shani shikari jungi kini ki nongnya tourist ro kin kamay bha namar kini yalam kai kini ki tourist ki bawan nabar. But piong ro ba kani ka jingwan jong ka railway ka pendu ja ya ka ni ka kariti ka dostor jungi. Bali pan gidon kini ki autonomous district council. Hato kamdei banyada ya nakabenta jungi. Hato kamdei banyada nakabenta kariti ka dostor jungi. Habang gidon kane balingin ting nging isibu tang kita ki jingting ha ki jing mo jing perkhat jungi. Ngi perkhat pat ya ka ka ban sawan. Ngi perkhat nakabenta ki jing bha ki jungi. Ngi si perkhat be tangi ki jing sniu. The next point is Article 371C of the Indian Constitution, that is the special duty to the Northeast India. Ngi kinong Meghalaya ngi don kata ka special status under Article 371C that demands development project to respect the local culture and identity. Ka culture kam kiu ladang idon tang para mangi hendring idon kam bangin ya interact bat kiway pat ki para culture jong kaway ka state sa kaway pat. Example ngan ay kum kani ka youth exchange program, I think all of us know ngi kwa ban interact bat kiway ki state ngilit da ka ngilit da railways, right? Ngidon kam railways mentaro ngidon ki participants balik na ka state ngi hablik lang baka railways na Guwahati. Tabaling im kwa baka ni ka railways kandan haka Meghalaya jungi. Bakan pensuk pensanya ngi. Speaker sir, da kabuburam mi baro, I think kini ki opponents mentakas ngi ki super sha na marka di ka debate. Handoi lada ka wan shisha kata ka railways ha ka state jungi, I think they will be the first one to buy the tickets and travel by train. Thank you.